Hi, this is John from Chicago area, and thanks for coming in to watch this video. Today's video is on my Trek ProCaliber 9.7. This is a 2021. I used it 2022 on the Great Divide. I made some changes to it. I added a rack on the back so I could carry more water. It'll carry my panniers and another 4-liter bladder on the back. I put aero bars on it to relieve some hand pain. I also put Ergon grips on it to help with hand pain, give me more positions. This original weight of this was 23 pounds 1 ounce from the factory weight, and I added about 8 pounds with pedals, cages, GPS, aero bars, and the rack on the back. I did switch over to electronic shifting on it, basically the same gear ratios and everything. It's a 1x12 with the cassette on the back being a 10 to 52 tooth, so it has 520% change of gearing on it. The weight also includes the pedals and the pump I have on it. So I'm going to be riding in about 2 weeks, being northbound from the Mexican border up to Salida. If you have any questions on this build, please leave those in the comments below, and I also have the original review in the comments below, the link for that video.